So we're going to present Organized Crimes by Gabriela Cortés, Alejandra Suarez, Juan Camilo Martinez, and Mariana Vázquez. So what is it? It's like any group having the same idea of get a lot of things by doing nothing, and they use violence, corrupt public, and extortion. And the subtypes are human trafficking, trafficking of drugs, trafficking of arms, and counterfeiting and money laundering. The causes that promote it, they are organized crime adopts all forms of corruption, so they have the same idea of make something to break the law, and they have like economic and development opportunities that are not very good, so the only thing that they can do is to start stealing things from another people, and that's why they do it. Ways to fight and prevent it, it's to have like more people putting attention of what the other people that don't have like all of the opportunities, and they have like many conflicts, so they can give them more education and like tell them what are the things that they can do to obtain the same things, but not doing like the wrong. And the most affected population is everyone, and also they use the prostitution by the trafficking of humans, and they with the drugs they affect like all the society and also the countries, because they are all the time contaminating it, and they use a lot of so many violence. Also when they are like using the money for the things that are not good, they also stole and have problems with the bank, and they can get like 35 years in jail. And the global impact is that these crimes are very big, and they are organized by groups, so they get involved many people, and everyone is going to get bad, and the other people is like seeing, and they're showing something that is not good for the little kids, and also they saw it like that is good, so that's why they have to change it. And they have like many groups of violence that they pay them to create like trafficking the drugs, and well, they earn a lot of money, but they're also doing the bad things, but they are going to stop it. And that's why and our conclusion is that they have to stop that, because it's one of the major problems that the world have, and they're not giving like a good influence to all the society. So, and also they can like we don't know very good, but we think that it's better if they start right now stopping it and putting more education, and that's it. So that's our presentation. We have some examples of the crimes they had commit of the trafficking of drugs. Yeah. For example, in Colombia, they spent like 25 years trying to stop it, and then they do it with a lot of help, because there were so many people involved, and also so many people died. And with the trafficking of humans in Asia, like China, Japan, and Hong Kong, they were trafficking little kids because the people spend more money and they pay better, but also the the government of the United States tried to stop it, and then they create like some treatments, and after all they did it, and also the one that was the most difficult was the trafficking of firearms, because they use it in all the world, but also they were doing these bad things and they were using it properly. So also the states and so many places in Europe start to put some orders to stop them. And the money laundering is a crime that have like many years, and there's a lot of people who still doing it, and 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 also that was like one of the major ideas of many countries to stop them, because was one of the most critical. The people who organized those crimes, they have like many time to do it properly, because if they don't, the authority will take them like very easy to jail. So they try to make it very good, and also there are people of all the ages between 20 no like 17 to 30 years, and everyone have a different charge of making something to include with the crimes. And they have like in each organization between 10 and 15 people who are making it, and also they are ones that have more than 15 trying to organize the crimes, and also there are people that doesn't have problems with the government, but they get involved to get more money and to make it more discreet.